Okay, so this is our oscilloscope. We're going to go over a few of the functionality and features of it. Now the oscilloscope is divided up into your screen and in your controls. They use two different channels depending if you're looking for a single signal or a dual trace. Each of them have a volts division and there's one master time division. Now the volts division changes how many of these squares is relative to the amount of voltage applied. Right now, we're receiving about 7 volts from our signal generator, and it's giving us a perfect sine wave. The time division stretches that out, so each base of those represents a greater or smaller distance of time. So you want this to be about that size to watch what's going to happen when we put on a diode circuit to rectify the AC. Either that one or perhaps even go up one higher, give it a nice sine wave. Now there's an auto reset button on the top, so when you first connect it up, you can give that a quick shot and it will recalibrate itself and give you the best overall picture. So then what we're going to do, right now I've got the circuit set up on my board, but I've left it open. I've not closed the circuit with a diode. So I'm going to put that back on. And now we're running through the two diodes as shown on the lab. And notice that the bottom of our sine wave is now being clipped. If I take that off, it goes back to our sine wave. This is relatively what we're looking for. We're looking for the sine wave to only be active on one half of the waveform. Now I can move this up or down. This changes our center point. So if I wanted to have a second trace, which is the blue button. So if I take that off, you can see I'm no longer centered. So idyllically you want that line there, says the 1 on the outside, on the center of your crosshair. And that gives you a more accurate image of what is taking place. Notice that if we have 1.5 squares up, we're actually chopping off the top half of that waveform. It's not coming down to the 1.5, so we're chopping off the top half of that waveform from our diode setup.